Good morning, YouTube. All right, today I'm going to give you a present, especially for those of you that don't like carrots, because I don't like carrots. But there's a few ways I learned to make them so that even I think they are amazing, and this is one way. All right, we're gonna make an orange marmalade carrot, and we're gonna top it with candied pecans. Why? Because we want to. They taste good, and that's all it needs. All right, let's cook, y'all. We got a family to feed. All right, so I'm going to show y'all how to make not just glazed carrots. Where are you? Not just glazed carrots, but we're doing a marmalade glazed carrot because we can. And I'll tell you, a few years ago I did a recipe for roast acorn squash. And wait a minute, right here I got 2 pounds of carrots. And I've already got a cup of orange juice in my pot here. So my 2 pounds of carrots are going right in here. So this is kind of similar. I'm taking a nice healthy root vegetable and I'm putting sugar with it. I did that a couple years ago. Yeah, we're gonna sit crooked and talk straight for a second, y'all. All right, so I did that a couple years ago with roast acorn squash, where I drizzled it with brown sugar and a little maple syrup, and it's so good. It is to die for. And YouTube flipped out. Crazy. They went nuts about putting sugar on a vegetable. Well, let me tell you something. I don't care. I don't care. I know what I'm doing. I know I'm putting the sugar on here, and I'm gonna do it anyway. So you can go ahead and flip out and just walk on, all right? All right, so here's how we're gonna make this absolutely stunning. Because I will say this, it is so delicious. It is so good. All right, so I've got 2 pounds of carrots, and I'm not fussy. You can go a little ahead, a little under. And we're giving it just a couple things. I'm giving it about a teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of cinnamon. This is another ½ cup of orange juice that I set aside just in case I took a look at it and didn't look like enough. So here we go. So that's a cup and a half. That's what it looks like at that point. And we're gonna add a couple more things. It's about a third, nope, sorry, that's a fourth of a cup of brown sugar, and that is a third of a cup of orange marmalade. So this is gonna come over here on our stovetop. We're gonna put it on medium heat. We're gonna bring it up to a simmer. We're gonna bring it up to a boil, reduce it to a simmer, give it about 10 or 15 minutes. I'll show you what that looks like when time comes.
Are you still filming?
Am I still filming?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, what, you got a mask on?
Yes, I was gonna ask you for some chocolate chips.
No. All right, so here are our carrots. We've had about 20 minutes. They've been simmering pretty nice. And we're gonna let these go for just a few more minutes, okay? We're gonna let that sauce reduce a little bit. But I wanna show y'all something real quick. Do you hear Rufus next door?
Yeah.
My next door neighbor's dog. Right after they moved in, I would hear him scream like that. I thought somebody was over there beating him. I'd go running outside. He's just excited.
Look, they're waiting for me.
Get out of here.
I can't.
Okay, you see how nice and thick that is? Good, because I just put your supper in.
My silverware?
Your supper in, smarty pants. I'm wearing aligners and it makes me sound like I can't talk. All right, so you want that nice, thick, soupy glaze. But we're going to let that reduce a little bit more. So let's give it about 10 minutes. Hey, you found my water. All right, time is up. Oh, let me show you what these look like. Here they are. And don't worry about that little schmudgy thing. That happens from the simmering. Just give it a stir, it disappears, okay? Aren't those pretty? All right, so.
Back in your room, kid.
There goes Tony again. He came through a minute ago. I said, Tony, you like carrots? He said, no, I like drywall mud. What? Probably a good thing that he's putting the mud up on the drywall. What does that even mean? I don't even know. All right. Here we go. All right, now I shot a separate video on how to make candied pecans because you can make a few candied pecans And then it's like you got a magic trick up your sleeve, y'all. So you could make a really nice salad one night. Pop those on your salad. A little blue cheese or a little feta. You know what? That syrup is too good. All right, we're going right back over the top of that. There we go. Next night, you can make these. Whoop! You can make these beautiful carrots. Top them with candied pecans. You can do roasted butternut squash. Throw a couple on there. And then just because you can, and that means maybe you should at least once, homemade vanilla ice cream or a buttermilk caramel sauce. Make yourself a sundae or a cobbler. Throw a few on there. And that, y'all, is carrot glory. Let me try that again. Y'all need to see that up close. It's our marmalade candied carrots. Oh yeah. Candied pecans. Man, I'm good. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.